Hi guys, welcome back to Digi Hacks with Polly, where we learn more to earn more. In this captivating YouTube video, we will dive into incredible opportunity to generate income using ChatGPT and Fiverr. Are you searching for a way to differentiate yourself in the competitive realm of freelancing? Well, look no further. We've uncovered a niche with lower competition that can still yield substantial earnings. That is crafting tweets and Instagram captions. Now, let's take a closer look at the numbers. For instance, logo design services on Fiverr boast a staggering 199,969 offerings, while website design services are around 96,091. The competition in these areas is fierce. However, when it comes to writing tweets, there are only 273 services available, making it less crowded field. This presents a unique opportunity for you guys to stand out and attract more clients. Now, consider the seller who says, I will write a quality tweet for you, for your business at $150, and she's only offering 10 tweets for $150. And she has so far received 60 orders. That is $9,000, yeah? You can see that's a lot of money that she has already made. Now, let's check and see the standard package. The standard package is at $195 and the premium one is at $245, only offering 25 tweets. Yeah, that is like $10 per tweet, and she's still selling, as you can see. So if you're creating a gig offering the same service and not overcharging, of course, you will sell big time. For example, you can say $10 for 10 tweets. That is averagely $1 for one tweet. So definitely you will sell your services very easily. You can see this one. He has done 310 orders and charging $100. That is a total of $31 from only writing tweets. You just have to create a tweet for someone's business or someone else's social media page. Okay? Let's check on writing Instagram captions. As you can see, it's at 4,848 services that are available, and that is not bad as well. Now, like this one here, he has done $122, charging $50, and that is $6,100. So writing Instagram captions on tweet is not a big deal actually in this era of AI. That is what I wanted to show you guys, how you can offer this service while you're depending on ChatGPT only. So now let's go to ChatGPT. First of all, go to Chrome Web Store and then search this extension that is called Keywords Everywhere. Then add to your Chrome. As you can see for me, I've already added it here. So you just add it and go back to ChatGPT. Now that is the extension that we've added. You can write, explain, expand, tweetify with this particular extension. So go to templates. Category, you choose social media. Subcategory, you can choose Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. And now let's choose Twitter. Yeah. We want to do like, you can say convert article into Twitter thread, etc. But for us, we want to create engaging Twitter thread. Then here, you can choose language. Then on voice notes, let's say funny. And then writing style, we choose creative. There's a lot that you can choose from actually. And on the topic, you can choose, for example, healthy tweets. And now you can say, here, they've already written a prompt template for us. Please ignore the previous instructions and respond only in English language. You are a Twitter influencer with a large following, blah, 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 blah. That's just a prompt. You can read it and edit when you feel it's not favoring you, yeah? So I changed my to be 50 characters to 55 characters, and I don't want a long tweet. So you just press executive template, and you can see it is developing quite interesting tweets and putting emojis as well. So there you have 10 tweets ready to post and send to your client. Now you can choose the one that is attractive to you. It really depends. Like this one, did you know that laughter is like a mini workout? It can boost your heart rate and even burn few calories. So go ahead and plod your way to your fitness. Hashtag laugh it off. Hashtag fit with fun. Wow. Interesting, right? In case you feel it's long, you can as well ask ChatGPT to shorten it for you. So you can see it is already shortened, yeah? Now it's shorter than the original one. You just copy and go to the Twitter handle that you're managing, or maybe you can send to your client if you're not managing their account. Okay? So let's go to Twitter. You just copy and paste, then tweet. That's all you have to do, then just earn your money. That's easy, right? Yeah. So let's go to Twitter. You just copy and paste, then tweet. That's all you have to do, and you'll earn your money like that. Easy, right? There's also another extension that you can use. For example, you are managing someone's social media account, say Instagram, Facebook, and others. Now, for instance, because we are in Twitter, let me show you how you can do it. In Twitter, you just come here, go to your Chrome web store, write Tweet GPT, and search it. It's here. Now you just add it. So you just add and go back to Twitter. And so far, if you find this information helpful, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this, okay? So you just come here. For example, let's reply to this one. This photo should be in billboard across Nairobi. Congratulations, Faith Kipyegon. What's the time to be a Kenyan? You just come here to reply, click it, and you can see this robotic symbol here. Yeah, this one. It's the ChatGPT. You just click it. Now you can choose either to be supportive, snacky, optimistic. You can choose from all these. For example, let's say we choose to be supportive. Now there you go. Kenya is proud of you, Faith Kipyegon. Your hard work and dedication are inspiration to us all. Keep shining. Now then you change this one from ChatGPT to your name and then reply. And that is it. Also, if you don't want to go back to ChatGPT, and let's say you're managing someone's account, you can be creating tweets using this tweet GPT. What is happening? What do you want to post about? Yeah? You write whatever you want. For example, you can write Faith Kipyegon and it will create a tweet on the trending news, just like that. And let's write a humorous to create a funny tweet. You see, Faith Kipyegon is faster than a cheetah on Red Bull and a gazelle on coffee combined. Yeah, we can relate. That's good. And that is it. So that is how you easily manage and be paid by tweeting using AI. Okay? So if you found this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable content like this one. Check out our next AI that can help you earn online in our upcoming video. Bye.